Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna unbox the June edition of Birchbox. So you guys wanna see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I've been getting Birchbox now, I wanna say since April. I've been getting that subscription box, or May, April, May. And I just want to say I really do like this box so far. I got this in replacement for my Play by Sephora, and I really am enjoying this box. It's $15 a month, but they run specials all the time. You guys can get different full-size items for signing up for 6 months, for 12 months. You guys get really cool stuff. I don't know what's currently running on right now, but I'll have it listed down below if you guys want to know and how you guys can sign up. This is $15 a month, depending on which subscription that you have. I have a year subscription, so mine's $13 a month, and then you get 5 sample size items in here. Sometimes they'll want to throw in a full size. They might want to surprise you, and they also like really cool names. So today my box is called The Wise Allie Dawson. Like, you guys know, I do really like this box. I do think my Laura Beauty box is a lot better because it does have full size items in here. This does too, potentially, but let's just see what this month's theme is. This is so cute. I really love the design of this like cool little tie-dye box. This is so freaking cute. I love it. I love it. I love the little boxes. They're so cute. So it says that the tip of the day is number 148. Everybody needs you time, indulge a little. Well, thank you. And I really like this. Like, they do put the information on what you're getting on the back of this card, which is really helpful. Sometimes people don't like to do that, and I'm like, oh, damn. I just want to know what the product is, where it's from, how does it work, how much it's worth. Like, I just want to know all that stuff, you know? So the first item that we got in here is from Wonder Beauty. I swear I got this before in this box. Okay, so this is the Double Date Lip and Cheek, and yeah, I did get this. The full size of this is $22. I got this already. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my No Waste Wednesday because I've received this, I wanna say last month from them. You can put this on your cheek, you could also put on your lips, but it has that like really creamy texture, something I'm not really a big fan of, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. The next item is from, ooh, it's pretty hefty. This is, oh, it's because there's items in here. This is Victor & Roth Flower Bomb Perfume. The full size of this is $95. The scent is a twist of the classic and offers an explosion of fresh flowers caressed with a breath of cool mountain air. Wow. I expect to smell like a mountain air. That smells really good. I can smell the flowers. I don't smell the fresh mountain air. Like, you know, when they're, okay, so I did an unboxing a long time ago for luxury scent box. And in that video, they talked about the medium note, the high note, the low note, like how you guys can smell certain things. And I'm like, how do you know? Like, how would you know, like, pine needles? You just gotta take a second whiff. Like, I would never know that, but not something that I'd buy. Like, it's not my flavor. Like, I really like Victoria's Secret, like Bombshell and Rebel and stuff like that. I'm not really into like the flowery smell. So this is nice, but not $95 worth. All right, the next product is from Comfort Zone. This is a clean beauty pick. It says that this is the Active Pureness Mattifying Fluid. Full size is $46. This lightweight moisturizer hydrates your skin while mattifying powders creates a smooth, even surface, making an ideal base for makeup after cleaning, apply to face and neck. Ooh, okay, well, I'm definitely down to try this because I'm very oily, so I love the fact that they put this in here so I could really try whether or not it's gonna help to mattify. I mean, it sucks that I already have my makeup done, but okay, I'll take it. The next one is from Supergoop. This is the Daily Correct SPF 35 CC Cream in light medium. Full size is $36. This CC cream is a top seller thanks to its lightweight formula that won't clog pores. Its shade adjusting technology blurs, even out tone, and protects skin from the sun. All right, so I'm definitely gonna give this a try because I am going to the beach tomorrow. So I'm gonna give this a try to see how well the CC cream holds up. I'm also gonna have my sunscreen underneath it, and we're gonna be like super gooping it all the way at the beach. But this is so tiny. All right, the next product is from Orb. This is a Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. Full size is $52. This multi-purpose cream works as both a leave-in conditioner and a styler to smooth and boost shine. Apply nickel size down to damp hair, then style. Okay, well, I have very long, thick hair, and like a nickel size, I don't know who does a nickel. I know you're supposed to. like I just do like 2 quarters together and like spread it out. And yeah, I know you're not supposed to, don't listen to me, but this would be a cool little moisturizing cream for your hair, which is really beneficial for me because I do dye my hair. Well, I get it like highlighted bleach. I haven't had it done since February, so it's really bad right now, and I don't know when I'm gonna go. But this would be great to keep my hair hydrated, especially when you do first dye your hair, especially as blonde, because your hair can get really like tingly, and you want to make sure you calm it down because the bleach can really harm your hair. So this would be really nice to help to balance that out. What are you? This is a daily concept. It says your facial micro scrubber. Full size is $8, so I'm assuming this is the full size. Uses dual texture face scrubbing tool to gently yet effectively pull red pores of dirt, oil, and grime. Use morning and night along with water or with your favorite cleanser. That's cool. Face it, you're beautiful. Oh, okay, that's cute. Wait, so I just like put my hand in it and I just clean it this way. Ooh, I feel like this is like a little rough. Like it might leave like little micro abrasions on my skin. This is very soft though. That's interesting. I'm definitely going to give this a try. I really do love my Luna Mini 3 that I got from Foreo. I think that's a really great product to get away any makeup and grime that's on your skin. I use it all the time. But I mean, if this is like a quick on the go, I'm down to try it out. So is everything that we got in our box. It's a little disappointing. We got no makeup, all skincare. It's the thing. It's the skincare year. I don't know. I guess because I got Chic Beauty Box and I got Lore Beauty Box, it's kind of hard for me to like. I really do like my Birchbox. It's cool to get sample sizes, but it's hard for me to be in love with it when those other boxes are giving you full size products. Like I mean, a Lore it's like literally $15 a month as well, but you get 2 full size products, and this one is mine's a sponge. So, I mean, it's not bad. It's just not my favorite, but yeah, that is my Birchbox for the month. If you guys got yours as well, please let me know you guys got in the comments below. And I just seriously want to thank you guys so much for just allowing me to do this, guys. I love it. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every other day, every day, just depending. And then also make sure you guys head over to my other channels, All for the Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures amazing your fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever, but I just want to let you guys know like what the sign up a month, and you get about 4 to 5 items in here. 2 of them are full size, sometimes 3. Just it really depends. Or is that my Lore Beauty? Oh, that's my Lore Beauty. This is $15 a month. No, it's $10 a month. And it is like you know, you could do cheek, you could do lip gloss, you could Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna box brand. This is Victor and Roth Flower Bomb. This is the Active Pureness Mattifying. I mean, I really do love my Luna Mini Free. I don't think you go off the deep end. Bitch has got a lot to say. Boom. Bitch. Oh my god, I'm still recording. Oh my god.